under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for extreme southeastern DECTALK County, southeastern Will County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm was located near Cohen, or 10 miles near Belvedere, moving northeast at 34 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Locations impacted include Oak Lawn, Evergreen Park, Blue Island, Harvey, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Park Forest, Pillows Hills, Pillows Heights, Midlothian, The Slip, Cape Covernell. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor, and protect yourself from flying debris.